This is lesson 12. I'm gonna show you how to scan items out of your system. Any item that leaves your facility needs to be scanned out so you can track where it's been. If it didn't get returned, you wanna know who still has it. If it's broken, you wanna know who broke it. Any item that leaves needs to be scanned out. And I'm gonna show you how to scan items out really quick. So in the pull sheet view of the show that we've been working on this whole time, which is our parking lot show, on the right side, we'll go to the very bottom, it has go to prep screen. We'll click on go to prep screen. Now we are officially in the prep screen. We can see all the items that are in our pull sheet. We're just gonna click on the barcode section at the top, and we're going to scan each item out that we need to go out. Now when we get to cable, it's going to ask us how many cables we are going to scan out. That way we don't have to scan every single cable. I have 5 of them, so I'm just going to hit 5 and hit enter. Now that we have scanned out all of our items, I do not have barcodes and such for clamps with me here at my house where I'm recording this video, so I'm not going to be able to scan out these items. But as you can see, the progress bar at the top is saying that we're 29% complete. Once we are 100% complete, we can just go ahead and hit finalize, and that show will have been prepped and will have been completely scanned out of our system. It is gone. It is currently out of the warehouse. It cannot be rented out. It cannot be found, and it's going to show up in all reports that those items are currently scanned out of our system and not available. This was lesson 12 on scanning items out. If you have any questions, let me know.